everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is another special video. Do I say that about every single video I make? I think all of them are special. Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and I know what is in this box. I have a handbag that you, my viewers, selected for me and I will be unboxing it today. I haven't seen the handbag, so it is a bit of a mystery. If you're new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. Hello, I'm Kelly Shaffner. If you're coming over here from Quenby at the Grateful Queen's channel, I really want to welcome you. Any friend of Quenby's is a friend of mine. You are welcome. I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me for a future video. Guys, today's video is a collaboration with my friend Quenby at the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. And if you remember, about a month ago, Quenby and I collaborated on a video. We both ordered a thread-up handbag mystery box, and we did something that was so much fun. We unboxed our bags, and we had our viewers select a bag for us. So my viewers selected one of the bags in my box for me to send to Quenby, and vice versa. Quenby's viewers selected a handbag to send to me. Many of my viewers, thank you so very much, went over to Quenby's channel and voted on a handbag for me. Thank you guys for always having my back, and I'm sure you loved Quenby's channel and are a regular viewer of Quenby's channel right now. And if you're not, guys, please check out my friend Quenby's channel. She puts out all sorts of reseller content and she is very knowledgeable. She has been selling online for a number of years and she makes great content, educational content, as well as unboxings and hauls, and she's just a delightful lady. So please check out her channel. Tell her that Kelly Shaffner sent you. And okay, this is a big box for a handbag, right? Well, Quenby and I were talking about getting these handbags to one another and we decided to send one another some inventory, kind of do a box swap. And, you know, we were kind of trying to decide what to send one another. And we did decide upon bread and butter brands. And I kept leaning towards spring because I don't know about you, but I am certainly shopping and looking for spring vibe items to put into my Poshmark closet right now. So that's what I sent Quenby. Guys, I am going to link Quenby's video in the description box below. So after we see what Quenby sent to me, you guys head over to her channel, check out what I sent to her. Let me know what you think about the items that I sent to Quenby. Just show the love to Quenby. She's awesome. And guys, I do want to just give her a shout out. Quenby does host a Friday night live for the reselling community, and it is such a nice way to spend an hour of your Friday afternoon. It is at 5 o'clock, I want to say Central Time. Guys, please head over to Quenby's channel to get all of the details, but it is really a great place to connect with other resellers, and I'll tell you, it's been a great resource for me. I have met a lot of great people. I've actually got some sources for inventory at that live that she hosts, and I've met some fabulous people there. So if you're interested in reselling content, do not miss Quenby's Friday Night Live. Okay, guys, I'm dying to get into this box. I'm really curious about the handbag, and I do believe that my viewers know I love color, and Quenby did give a little teaser at her live about the handbag that she would be sending me. So here is the mystery box. Oh, how beautiful. How beautiful. Look at this. Wrapped in pink tissue, and it does have a tulle bow on it. That is beautiful, Quenby. I'm impressed. Quenby did include a very thoughtful note, and she did send a gift from her to me, which was so very nice, and I can't wait to see it. Guys, guess what color it is? I'm not going to answer that, but if you have been following this channel for any length of time, you're probably guessing what it is. And she also says, I am including the purse from our thread-up collab handbag video. Our viewers all wanted you to have this particular handbag, and I hope you love it. Guys, the handbag is right on top. I'm going to put the box on the floor, but I see this is what the inside of the box looks like, and I see that handbag right on top, and I'm loving it already. Okay, guys. This is the handbag. This is really nice. This is a Tignanello handbag, and I don't know if they do leather. If this is a vegan leather, it's really done well. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is a perfect size and a fun pop of color. You can see that zipper on the outside, and then there's also this zip compartment in the front. I'm getting too excited, I know. But that's kind of nice. You can put your cell phone right there. Nice little compartment with a zipper. This is so nice, and I want to thank each and every viewer that put in your vote for this really cool handbag that I cannot wait to wear. I am definitely going to take a picture and put it on Instagram when I wear this bag. Thank you so much to my viewers and to Quenby. This bag is awesome. The first item on the top that I just unwrapped is this super cool bracelet, and it is by Humanity, Make a Difference. And this is a leather bracelet with studs on it, and it also says seek kindness, faith, humanity, diversity, sow love, make a difference. I love this. And this is supposed to be an inventory box, and this isn't going to fit over my sweater. I love this, and I am going to have to wear this. I love this clasp too. It's like this, but it's also magnetic. That is so fun, and it's red, and it's not for me. It is to sell, but I may have to wear it before I sell it. All right, this is the piece that Quenby thought I would like. This is a red silk sleeveless popover. I believe this is silk. It feels like silk. This is 100% silk. This is absolutely gorgeous. It is Talbot's, which is a brand I love to wear. I shop Talbot's retail. I'm embarrassed to say before I started reselling. I like this brand. I love this top. You guys will see this top in a video very soon. Thank you very much, Quenby. That is exactly my style. She put a lot of stuff in this box, and this is the first piece, and it looks like a dress. This is such a cute print. Look at this floral print. You guys, does this dress, it has pockets. This dress has pockets. This is Talbot's. This is size 10. This is a beautiful Easter dress. It looks like it has a pretty full skirt. This is what the top looks like, a V-neck and a hidden zip in the back. Love this dress. I'm gonna try this one on as well. Quenby did mention in her note that she was shopping for things that she thought I would like. And oh, this is Torrid. This is a brand I love to sell. This is a Torrid size 4. It's navy floral. Is this a top? Yes, this is super cute. And yes, I do enjoy selling Torrid. So it's a button front, but there's a little elastic in the back, so that's going to be super flattering. I love this piece. Next up is something in kind of corals, and this is by the brand Joie. This is a size small. I'm assuming that this is a silk top as well. Let me check, because Joie does silk all the time. This is 100% silk, a sleeveless popover. This is absolutely lovely. So yes, and then another floral. I don't think I included a lot of florals. Is that a Nua Tags? It is. A Nua Tags, whatever we are. What are we? This is INC, International Concepts. This is super cute. So this is a really small floral, black with a pink floral. And there is a smocked waistband there and a flutter sleeve, just a bit of a flutter sleeve. There's a keyhole front with a tie there. This is really cute. All right, this is what the next piece looks like. I'm so drawn to these colors. This is Lulu's. I like this brand. Lulu's size medium, and this is red and cream. It's a multicolor print. This is a dress, I believe. Yeah, I think this is a Lulu's mini dress. That's my guess on this one. And it does have a keyhole back, sleeveless, super cute. And I'm sure it's lined because, yeah, Lulu's makes a really nice dress. So this is a Lulu's size medium. You see that one? I like this one. This is the final piece, guys, and it is in a bag. It's brand new with tags. This is Quenby's favorite brand to both sell and wear. And I'll tell you what, now when I see this brand, Quenby's who I think of, Nua Tags. And this is intimately free people. The MSRP is $88. Quenby, you went overboard. Wow. Okay, what do we have here? So, I don't know. You know what? There's a tag on the bag. This is so beautiful. Look at the back of this. It's all lace in the back, but it almost has like a camisole built in, if you can see that. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure if this is a dress or if this is a tunic top. Let me see what size this is. If I can find the tag. This, here it is. The tag says it's a size medium. So, okay, that's beautiful. And of course, it reminds me of Quenby. Guys, this has been so much fun. And I would really like to thank the Grateful Queen for collaborating with me once again and giving me the opportunity to meet your viewers. They're awesome, just like you. And guys, I am so excited to carry my bag. In fact, I'm ready to go somewhere right now. I have nothing to do, but maybe I need to run to the grocery store just to carry my new bag. Thank you to everyone that participated in that video. Guys, if you haven't seen that video, I am going to link it above up here so you can check out those videos, and make sure that you visit Quenby's channel. Check out what I sent to her. I'm a little embarrassed right now. I didn't send as many florals and cute stuff as she sent me, but guys, yeah, please check it out. Show her channel some love. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you guys can see behind me, that gigantic rack of clothing is clothing that I picked up at the Goodwill bins in Phoenix, Arizona. I've been home for about a week and I have been working through that. I'm going to haul it for you very, very soon. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see everything I've picked up in Phoenix. I've got to go somewhere. I need to get out of here, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Blessings to you.